Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B 723 coming to you today from my garden. I hope things are going well where you are. There's a lot going on in the world these days, and I just hope that wherever you are happy and safe. I'm doing well here. We had storms recently, and the storms did kind of impact some of the vegetables that I have. And you'll be able to see a little bit of the problem that I had, but for the most part it wasn't too bad. Today I'm in the garden and I'm harvesting some Swiss chard that I planted. This Swiss chard was planted the beginning of May, and so far I've already gotten one harvest of the Swiss chard from here, but it's gotten to the point where I can get some more off of these plants. I will show you what I'm going to harvest and what they look like. If any of you are not familiar with Swiss chard is a wonderful vegetable. It grows most of the warm season, and you usually will be able to get 2 or 3 harvests from it during the warmer months. Where I am in Michigan, it is not a perennial, it's an annual here. So that's how I plant it, and that's how I plan to use it, as an annual. If you've not tasted it before, it tastes a bit like mild collard greens with a really nice flavor. So Swiss chard is something that's really nice to have in your kitchen, or either in your freezer to just pull out and cook. It cooks really quickly in about 5 minutes or so in your pot. It boils in your pot and boils down really quick like greens do, but it's a nice flavor on the Swiss chard. So I'm going to show you what I'm harvesting today. I'm going to take you down so you can see. I have the Swiss chard in these 5-gallon buckets. Now, as you can see, I'm going to put on my gloves here. As you can see, these Swiss chard leaves are huge. Absolutely huge. That's what I like about the Swiss chard, is that it gets big enough so that you can actually cut it and have enough to make a meal. So I'm going to show you here this Swiss chard that I'm about to harvest. If you look at this one, this is a huge leaf. I'm going to go down with my pruners all the way down near the base. And this is called Vulcan Swiss chard. And I'll take you up so you can take a look. It's called Vulcan Swiss chard. And with this one, it actually has a web on it, where something made a web on this Swiss chard. That's why anything you get in your garden, you always have to wash it. Always have to wash it, because the bugs are out here and they want your vegetables as much as you do. So if you look at this leaf of Swiss chard in my hand, this Swiss chard is much larger than my hand. I could actually put it up this way so that you can see how large this leaf really is. And I'll bring it over. See my hand? See that leaf goes all the way down from the tips of my fingers all the way down to my wrist. So that's just one leaf. When it cooks down, it's not this big, but it grows this big, and I really like the return that I get on the Swiss chard. I've already done a couple of harvests from the Swiss chard. I'm going to put that in the basket, and they grow back when you harvest from them. The leaves will grow back. This is a smaller leaf, so that you can do the cut and come again method from your Swiss chard throughout the season. I'll turn you down so you can see what I'm cutting. Okay. It's a decent sized leaf. And this one is a large leaf too. I'm going to take that one. The Vulcan Swiss Chard is absolutely beautiful. If you look at this leaf, it's got the red stem and it's got the red veins growing throughout. And Vulcan Swiss Chard is just one of the shards that's available. They come in different colors. So sometimes you'll see Swiss Chard that has a green stalk, a yellow stalk, and they come in other colors as well, but I like the red Vulcan one. They taste very similar, so I just basically stick with the red. Sometimes people go with the there's a packet of seeds that has a combination of colors so that you can taste all of the colors from that one packet. I tried that one year too, and I really enjoyed tasting the different flavors. So that's the Swiss Chard that I'm harvesting today. Now, after I finish harvesting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to top dress this dirt with black cow manure. It's a mulch, and when I top dress it, I'll cover just the bottom of the plant and all of the dirt, and then I'll water it in real well so that the roots of the plant get to benefit from the compost that I top dress with. And as I did see some spider webs on here, I will also come back out in a couple of days, and this time I'll come out with some neem oil and spray them with neem to take care of the spiders that are trying to live in here. So here's one here. That one's really bright and pretty. Altogether, I have 3, 6, 7, 8 pots of these Swiss Chard in the Vulcan variety. So I have quite a few. But I just wanted to let you know, Swiss Chard makes another good variety of greens to have in your diet. They're considered a superfood because they do have so many vitamins in them. So it's always good when you get a chance to make sure that you grow something that will promote good health for you and your family. And as I'm harvesting from these, I will get some that regrow. So I'll get another flush of Swiss Chard leaves later in the season. So I planted them early May, and now this is June. So it does not take them long, usually about 30 to 45 days from seed to harvest. And that's not too long to wait for something that is as healthy and hardy as these are. So that's what's going on here today. I'm going to finish harvesting the Swiss Chard, and as I said, I'm going to come back and top dress it and water it, and that'll keep it growing for the rest of the season. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day today. I hope you learned something new about Swiss Chard, and I hope that you actually start to grow it in your garden if you're not already. Give it a try. You never know, you just might love it. This is Henry B. 723. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.